Hi folks, 8Zach here with another promo pack opening for you. I have five, count them, five Innistrad Midnight Hunt Promo packs, the new set for Magic the Gathering, and I'm going to open up these 5 packs. And special thanks to Mandy over at Mega City 1 for giving me these packs, and for Nathan giving me his promo pack for the new set. So we got 5 all together, and let's see what we can pull. Let's see if we get anything fun. So start with pack number 1. We've got a Briarbridge Tracker, we got a Gavani Dawnguard, and we got a Shia, Sword of the Wild. I got this in a Phylath deck of mine. Wonderful. Well, Nathan, that's your pack. We're going to have to talk about trading for that Shia, though. Let's go on to pack number 2. We got a Pithing Needle, Play with Fire, and Showdown of the Skulls. That Pithing Needle. Oh, look at that gruesome art. I actually kind of needed one. It's pack number 2. Let's go on to pack number 3. We've got Dire Strain Rampage. I actually needed this card. Infernal Grasp with the alternate art. Oh, that's awesome. Needed that too. And I love that alt art. Oh, it's so great. We got Harness Infinity. Nice. Let's go on to pack number 4. What we got going? Ooh, Grafted Identity. Consider, another card I needed. Lorehold Command. A little underwhelming, but I'll take the Consider. Grafted Identity I just bought. Wish I had not bought it now. Need it for a deck of mine. And finally, last pack, we got Overgrown Farmland. Ooh, yeah. Gavany Dawnguard and another Showdown of the Skulls. I don't do a very good job of sorting these because we get a lot of repeat cards there. So we got 2 repeats in these 5 packs. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.